Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's once again from the CaesarLife.com, coming to you live from my Zen garden. I tend to come out here either before a workout or post-workout and get me my thoughts together and gather some much needed information from the almighty infinite intelligence. Anyway, just came from my training session. Today was day 3 of week 1 of my preparation phase. I did split squats, so it was more so of a unilateral day, working on my hip stability and building up that hip strength. So my glutes are currently sore as I walk pretty much like a mile to get here. Yeah, so have my post-workout shake and meal. Now I'm just gonna come out here and do this little walking meditation, get my thoughts together, listen to a few audiobooks. Currently I'm listening to The Speed of Trust by Stephen R. Covey, I believe. Yeah, I'll check that out once I upload the book on my phone. Anyways, I got one more session left until I'm done for the day, but my work still continues. Looking ahead till tomorrow is usually a rest day, but we're still on the Move More challenge, so I'm going to be showing you my recovery routine on how I like to recover and stretch on days post a heavy lifting training session. Then Friday is where I'll be getting together. I might be doing my metabolic conditioning with the hunter-gatherer routine and see exactly if I can push that little limit a little bit more so I can perform a lot better going into the weekend. I might have some awesome content for you, so stay tuned. I got invited to this event, and depending on how it all shapes out, I'll be documenting that as well and getting you guys the behind the scenes look of everything. All right, so let me go on this walk, and yeah, don't forget to comment, holla, subscribe, and holla at the kid. Peace.